If you have pets in a yard and you have to clean up mess in your yard, this is a complete no-brainer, and let me explain why. So first, it comes in either one piece or two pieces. I went for the two pieces, and this is essentially a dog waste scooper. Now, I don't have a dog. My brother has a dog, and I dog sit for him a lot because I have a fenced-in yard, so I need to clean up his waste, which I don't enjoy doing. So I love when Amazon has solutions for my problems, so this is what works for me, and don't worry, I cleaned this, it's fine, but I'll show you why you don't even need to clean these things, which is pretty cool. It comes with disposable bags, and if you don't want to buy your own doggy disposable bags, or if you run out of the ones that it comes with, you can just use a regular grocery bag. I mean, this pretty much just looks like a regular grocery bag that you get at the store. You probably have 300 of these under your sink, but here's the cool part. So check this out, very cool. You take the bag and you push it through, and then make sure it is hooked over the bottom of this and kind of wrapped around it. And then you take the handles and you wrap them up and hook them on the hooks here, and that pretty much holds the bag in place. But if you have a big bag, like you're using a grocery bag and it's too big, it also has this orange thing here, which you can push the extra stuff into. So you can kind of pull it taut and then push it down inside there if you need to. But essentially, here's what you're doing. You're making a basket or a bag or a place for the waste to go that has this nice solid base on it and is completely covered. So you can just scoop up the waste, or you can do the same thing that you did on this one right here. Put the bag over it, put the handles right here. Now you have a rake and a scoop, and when you're done, you take the bag off this one. No mess touches it, and when you're done with this, you take the bag off this one, throw this away, and now you have a clean scooper here that doesn't need to be cleaned off because nothing ever touched it. There are lots of different ways to deal with this. If you're cleaning up multiple times a day, maybe you don't want to use that many bags. Maybe a regular one would work for you, but then you have to clean that thing. Since I dog sit, I'm not cleaning up every day, so something like this works really well for me. So far, this is the best thing I could find for my issue or my problem. It solves my problem, and I would definitely recommend it.